Hey guys, Jared Beckwith here. I'm excited to announce I'm shipping my first EEG machine. We're going to go in this video from the beginning, the night before where I test it out, all the way to packing it up and getting it shipped out. Here's the first one I'm going to test, taking it out the bag. Let's see what we got here. Here is version 0 of my EEG brain recording machine. 32 channels. We can do a full brain recording here. We got the reference and ground over here in midline, and then we got the left hemisphere electrodes, right hemisphere electrodes right here, and then the miscellaneous ones kind of like the EKG and the eye leads. Now, to get it started, we just plug the USBs provided into the board, one, and then here's the second one. Once we have both of those plugged into the board, we can take the two USBs, plug them into our laptop or Windows computer. If a lot of you guys like this, we're definitely gonna have to make a Mac version, but here, opening up the Windows software with the board plugged into the laptop, both USBs, and then we can hit the record EEG button there in the top right, and that will open up the acquisition window so we can actually start doing a recording. Now in the acquisition window, you can go to the top left, hit recording, connect EEG device, and if it's plugged in, it should automatically connect. To do our test recording, we need the ground, which is right here, plugged into the bottom pin. We got the ground, and now we can have a reference electrode. This will be the brown one that we can plug into the bottom pin for the ref right there. So now we have both our ground, the green wire here, and our reference, the brown wire there, plugged in, and I'm going to put those behind my ear, and we're also going to test the EKG, the heartbeat. That's going to be our first lead that we're going to test today. Can we get a heartbeat signal, guys? So I put the EKG on my chest, and I put the reference and ground behind my left and right ear, and we've got a successful recording, guys. We got a heartbeat. This is good news. To test the brain, I hooked up FZ, CZ, and PZ, just the wires down the middle, and the reference and ground. Here they are plugged in, and looking at the EEG, we can see our background rhythm. After successfully testing both the machines, I had my mom help me pack them. Thank God, I would not know how to do it. If you guys seen me wrap Christmas presents, it is not nearly as good as my mom. So she was able to help me out with this and make sure the wires don't get tangled when we're putting them in the box. It was pretty brilliant. I mean, this is a real family business. My dad and brother helped create the software and make the board work, and my mom, she's the best, helping me pack this nice and pretty. Filled everything in the box, everything you need to do a full brain recording. Time to ship. Well guys, it's a big day, finally shipping out my first EEG machine. We got two right here. I'm excited. I had it scheduled for the mailman to come pick it up, but got it packed a little too late, missed the mailman, he came too early. So I'm gonna drive to the post office, drop these packages off, and I'm excited. This is the beginning, guys. Made it to the post office. My dad actually works here, believe it or not. New Tampa, here we are, shipping out. Back home now, dropped off the boxes at the post office. We are going places. Ion, the world's greatest EEG brain recording machine. This is just the beginning. If you want to learn to become an EEG technologist just like myself, go to my website, ioneeg.com. Get yourself a brain recording kit. I can help you out one-on-one, teach you how to hook up EEGs so you can be an EEG technologist just like me. It's a wonderful career, guys. Thank you all for watching. Appreciate your support, all of you guys who've been with me since the beginning. I guess this is another beginning right here. New beginnings. Let's ship some more EEG machines.